Assalamu alaikum. Now I will start exercise 11.1 from question number 8. I will solve some problems like number 1 of 8, 1 minus root over 1 minus x divided by 1 plus root over 1 minus x equal to 1 by 3. In this type of math, to solve to find out the value of x, at first we need to do componendo and then dividendo. What is componendo and dividendo? See, at first numerator you have to write both as numerator and denominator like this. See, I am solving it. Root over 1 minus root over 1 minus x, 1 plus root over 1 minus x equal to what? 1 by 3. Now say, or you will write this numerator both as numerator and denominator. 1 minus root over 1 minus x, 1 minus root over 1 minus x. Here you have written, here also you have written. Now what you will do? This denominator will be added with numerator like this, plus 1 plus root over 1 minus x, and it is called componendo. If we add denominator with numerator, that is called componendo. Then if we subtract denominator from the numerator, that is called dividendo. Now we will subtract it. It will be minus 1. Now minus what? Root over 1 minus x equal to 1. See, I have written. Now 3 you have to add with numerator, and also you need to subtract from the denominator, and it is called, here you will give side note, by componendo and dividendo. It is called by componendo and dividendo. Then what you will write? See, minus root over 1 minus x plus root over 1 minus x, plus 1 minus 1. Think it is a, whole number is a, minus a plus a. Okay, so 1 and 1 add 2, and minus a minus 2a, that is you will write minus 2 root over 1 minus x equal to 1 and 3 4. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Now from both sides you can reduce this. 2 goes how many times? 2 times. So here we will get 1 by minus root over 1 minus x equal to 2 by minus 1. Now by cross multiplication, you will get what? Or minus 2 into root over 1 minus, directly you can write in this way, root over minus 1 minus x equal to what? Minus 1 on 1 multiply 1. Now you will square both sides. Square both sides means, if I square both sides, I will get what? See, both sides we can do same work. So minus 2 and minus 2 multiply, plus 4, and root over 1 minus x, root over 1 minus x multiply, we will get only 1 minus x. Maybe you can understand it. Please see, root a into root a equal to what? Equal to a. How? Because value of root, you know, value of root is half and value of root is half. So it is a, and power you will add what? 1 by 2. See, a into LCM 2, 1 plus 1. Now you will get a 2 by 2. If you omit, you will get a to the power 1. A to the power 1, that is a. Okay, that means if you multiply root 1 minus x into root 1 minus x, you equal to what? 1 minus x. And here absolutely it should be minus 1. Okay, minus 1, because minus 1 if you minus 1 if you multiply, you will get 1. Now you can write 4 minus 4x equal to 1, or you can write minus 4x equal to what? 1 minus 4, or you can write minus 4x equal to what? Minus 3, or you can write 4x equal to 3. Both sides you will multiply by 1. You can write multiplying both sides by minus 1. You will get plus 4x plus 3. Now x equal to what? 3 by 4. Therefore x equal to 3 by 4. Therefore required solution equal to x equal to 3 by 4. Okay, x equal to 3 by 4. Now problem number 2 of 8. Similar way you will at first do componendo, then dividendo, like you have to write solution. So a plus x minus root over a square minus x square by a plus x square equal to b by x. Now write, or a plus x minus root over a square minus x square you have written here, and also you will write here a plus x minus root over a square minus x square. Now from here it will be added with it. That means plus a plus x plus root over a square minus x square, and here you see now we subtract minus a minus x minus root over a square minus x square, and here you will write b plus x into divided by b minus x, right here by componendo and dividendo. Okay, componendo and dividendo. Now see, or minus root over a square minus x square minus root over a square x square plus a minus a plus x minus x. Okay, so a and a add, you will get 2a plus 2x divided by minus 2 root over a square minus x square. Okay, equal to b plus x minus, so divided by b minus x, or you write here we can take 2s common, then a plus x divided by minus 2 into minus 2 root over a square minus x square equal to b plus x divided by b minus x, or 2 you can reduce, now you will get a plus x root over a square minus x square equal to b plus x divided b minus x. In both cases now you can square it. Okay, square it. Both cases you can square to eliminate what? To eliminate this root over. Now here a plus x whole square, that is you can write here a square plus 2ax plus x square. Here you can write what? A square minus x square, and here also it is, you can write b square 2bx divided by x square. I need more space. Okay, here you can write b square minus 2bx plus x square. Now again you will do componendo and dividendo. how you will write. Absolutely, I need more space, so I am going up of the board, top of the board. Now see, for a square plus 2ax plus x square divided by a square plus 2ax plus x square, you have written. Now it will be added to it, plus square minus x square. Then here minus, it will be minus a square minus minus plus x square. Is it clear? Now here it is also b square 2bx plus x square divided by b square plus 2bx plus x square. Now this will be added with it, plus b square minus 2bx plus x square divided minus b square plus 2bx minus x square, because we are subtracting it. Okay, here also you have to write by componendo and dividendo. Here also you will write it. Now you will write in this way, minus x square plus x square minus a square plus a square, and here you can see minus 2bx plus 2bx minus b square plus b square plus x square minus x square. Okay, so here a square 2a square and plus 2ax divided by here 2ax plus x square 2x square. Here also you can write b square 2b square x square 2x square, and here 2bx for bx. Or here you can take 2a as common. Okay, 2a, you will get here a plus, here you will get x divided by, here if you take 2x common, you will get a, here you will get what, x, and here you can take 2 as common, b square plus x square. Here you can write 2 into 2bx, that is easily you can reduce it, then to also it. Now you will get a by x equal to b square x square by 2bx, and now also both cases you can multiply. Here you multiply by x, here you multiply by x, you will be eliminated, you can reduce. Okay, now you will get a by 1, here you will get b square plus x square divide 2b, multiplying both sides by what? Multiplying both sides by x. Now you cross multiplication, b square or b square plus x square equal to 2ab, or x square equal to 2ab minus b square. Okay, or x equal to plus minus root over 2ab minus b square. Therefore x equal to plus minus root over 2ab minus b square. Therefore required solution x equal to plus minus root over 2ab minus b square. Okay, this answer. Now problem number 3, 81 into 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x to the power whole cube equal to 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. We can do here, or we can write, we have to write, suppose 81 equal 1 into 1 what, 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x to the power whole cube 1 plus x minus 1 minus x, or 81 equal to 1 plus x divided 1 minus x into, you can take this fraction in right side or to right side, but that time since it is here in multiplication position, so right side it will go, it will be divided, but I have directly written what, multiplication. That time numerator should be denominator and denominator should be what, numerator, and power is 3, or 81 equal to 1 plus x 1 minus x, if you multiply you will get here power 4. Okay, here 1 plus x, then 81 you can write here, okay, s square in this way, and also 1 plus x divided 1 minus x square root over and to the power whole square. Now you can take the square root. Square root means from, you will eliminate what, square. You will get here 9 equal to 1 plus x divided 1 minus x square. Okay, now here we write, or 1 plus x to 1 minus x square equal to 9. Again we can write it in this way, 1 plus x divided 1 minus x square equal to 3 square. Here also again you will take the square root, that means eliminate this square. You will get 1 plus x minus divided by 1 minus x equal to what, plus minus 3, plus minus 3. Now therefore 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x equal to 3, or we can multiply it, 1 plus x equal to what, 3 minus 3x, or x plus 3x equal to 3 minus 1, was 4x equal to 2, or x equal to 2 by 4. You can reduce it, or x equal to what, 1 by 2. Again you have to consider that these are minus 3. Now see, or 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x equal to what, minus 3, or if you multiply here, minus 3 minus 3 and minus x multiply plus 3x equal to 1 plus x, or see 3x minus x equal to 1 plus 3, or 2x equal to 4, or x equal to 4 by 2, omit, or x equal to 2. Therefore we can write, therefore solution, required solution, x equal to what, 1 by 2 or 2, 1 by 2 or 2. Here I am writing, solution will be what, x equal to 1 by 2 or 2. Clear? It will be answer. Now problem number 9. Here 1 of 9 is if a by b equal to b by c equal to c by d, then prove a cube by plus b cube divide b cube plus c cube equal to b cube plus c cube divide c cube by d cube. Okay, here at first write let solution, let a by b equal to b by c equal to c by d equal to k. K here constant, therefore c equal to what? C equal to dk, and b equal to ck. Value of c is dk, dk into k equal to dk square, a equal to bk, value of bk is dk square into k equal to dk cube. Now you write left hand side equal to what? A cube plus b cube divided by b cube, a cube plus b cube divide b cube by c cube, b cube plus c cube. Now a, value of a is what? dk cube plus cube, b cube is dk square, now cube, and here value of b is dk square cube, c, value of c is dk cube. Here you will get what? d cube k to the power 9 plus d cube k to the power 6. Here also d cube k to the power 6, and here it is d cube k cube. Clear? Then you will write here, take common here. What's common? d cube k6, here it is k cube plus 1, here common is d cube k cube plus 1, so k cube plus 1, k cube plus 1, d cube, and k to the power 6 if you reduce by k to the power 3 or k cube, you will get only k cube. Okay, it is the value of left hand side. Now right hand side equal to what? Right hand side is b cube plus c cube, b cube plus c cube divide c cube plus d cube. Okay, now write the value of b cube, dk square cube plus dk cube divide dk cube plus value of d is d cube. Okay, d is here, d cube, since there is no value. Okay, now write d cube k to the power 6 plus d cube k cube divide d cube k cube plus d cube. Now in here you can take common d cube k cube, you will get k cube divided by plus 1 divided equal to k cube. Therefore you can write left hand side equal to right hand side. Proved or short, show that. So you will write as short. Okay. and similar way you will do number. Now solution of 2. See here also you have to write this, and left hand side, see left hand side is here a square plus b square plus c square into b square plus c square plus d square, b square plus c square plus d square equal. Now you write the value d. A is dk cube, then a square, dk square, value of b, then a square, c, value of c is dk, then a square. Now write the value of this, dk square, then a square, then dk square plus d square. Now write what? D square k to the power 6, d square k to the power 4, d square k square. Then here write d square k to the power 4, d square k square plus d square. Now from here you will take again what? Take common. What is the common here? D square k square. Here left k to the power 4 plus k square plus 1. From here also you can take common what? D square, then k to the power 4 k square plus 1. Then you can multiply d square and d square, multiply d to the power 4, then k square to k to the power 4 plus k square plus 1, and k to the power 4 plus k square plus 1. You can write in this way. Okay, it is the value of left hand side. Okay, value of left hand side. Then now you write the right hand side, AB plus BC plus CD whole square. Okay, right hand side. Right hand side you write in this way, AB plus BC plus CD whole square. Now write value of A is dk cube, B dk square plus dk square into dk plus dk into d square. Clear? Now you can multiply d square k to the power 5 plus d square k cube, d square k square. Now from here you can take common d square k, right? And here left k to the power 4, then here k square plus 1. Okay, then whole square. Now if you multiply d square, if you d square plus d square into d square, you will get what? D to the power 4, because now you will eliminate what? Second bracket. You will get k square. This square you have to take here. Now it is k to the power 4 k square plus 1 whole square. So it was the value of also what? Left hand side. Therefore you can write, therefore left hand side equal to right hand side short. Okay. Now problem number 10. Problem number 10, given value is x equal to 4ab divided by a plus b. Then you have to prove that x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 2. Here at first we will find out some values, like in this way. Suppose you can write therefore x by 2a, that means you are dividing it by what? By 2a. Also here you have to divide it by 2a. Okay, both sides divided by 2a. Now you can reduce it. You will get here x by 2a equal to 2 to reduce, you will get 2a reduce b, 2b into here a plus b. Is it clear? 2 here 2 times you can write, and a reduce, you will get 2b divided by a plus b. Now you will do componendo and dividendo. X plus 2a divided by x minus 2a. Clear? And here it will be 2b, then you have to add it plus a plus b, then 2b minus a minus b, or it is by componendo and dividendo. You can write x plus 2a divided x minus 2a equal to 2b and b, 3b plus a, and here you will get from 2b, if you subtract b, you will get what? B minus a, b minus a. Then again you can write again x by 2b, both sides you are dividing by what? By 2b, equal to 4ab divided by 2b into a plus b, or you will do componendo x plus 2b divided by what? X minus 2b equal to here you can reduce, here you can reduce x by 2b equal to 2b, that means 2a by a plus b, or now you will do componendo x plus 2b x minus 2b equal to 2a minus 2a plus a plus b divided by 2a minus a minus b, or here you will get x by 2b divided x minus 2b equal to what? 2a and a, 3a plus b divided 2a subtract a, you will get a minus b. It is the value of this. Now absolutely you need to find out x plus, or you have to prove x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a minus x plus 2b divided by x minus 2b equal to 2, right? Equal to plus, plus. So you have to add both these two. Now we will write therefore you write left hand side, what? Left hand side is x plus 2a divided by x minus 2a plus x plus 2b divided x minus 2b. Value of this, that means 3b plus a divided b minus a, plus value of this is 3a plus b divided a minus b. Or you can write 3b plus a divided b plus a, b minus a, then plus 3a plus b. From here you can take minus 1 common, minus 1 equal to minus plus b, plus minus minus a, or you can write 3b plus a divided b minus a, now plus minus minus 3a divided by b, b minus a equal to, here LCM is b minus a, here 3b plus a and minus what 3a minus b. Now if you subtract, you will get what from 3a, here you will get 3b, subtract b, you will get plus 2b equal to 2b. From 3a you subtract a, you will get minus 2a divided by what, b minus a. Here common is 2, b minus a divided b minus a equal to 2. This is right hand side, therefore left hand side equal to right hand side showed or proved. Show that means you have to write should have. Clear? Okay. Now problem number 11, solve it. Okay, here also at first you will do componendo and dividendo. That means, or you will write value of, there is numerator is, denominator is 1, so x plus 1 divided by what, x minus 1 equal to m plus 1 to the power 1/3. That means here you have to write, then this denominator will be subtracted, minus m plus 1 to the power 1/3 minus plus, you have to add it componendo, then minus m minus 1 to the power 1/3. That means plus minus m plus 1 plus m minus 1. Here you have to write by componendo and dividendo. Okay, by componendo and dividendo. Now you can reduce this and this. You will get here x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to 2 m plus 1 to the power 1 by 1/3. Here not plus 2, okay, and reduce it, x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 equal to m plus 1 m minus 1 power is 1/3. So if I cube it both side, suppose since the value of m minus 1 or sorry m plus 1 is what, 1/3, means 1 by 3 multiply 3, you can reduce it, eliminate it, or you can write here x cubed plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divided x cubed minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to what, m plus 1 divided m minus 1. Okay, now you can write it in this way, or you can again you have to do componendo and dividendo. See, again you have to do componendo and dividendo. That means here you have to write x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 minus x cube plus x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 and again here you write x cube 3x square 3x plus 1, it will be minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to what? M plus 1 plus m minus 1 divided by m plus 1 minus m plus 1. Here also you have to write by componendo and dividendo. Okay, by componendo and dividendo. Now minus plus 3x square minus 3x square plus 1 minus 1 minus x cube plus x cube plus 3x plus x. Okay, now here also 1 plus 1 minus 1 you can eliminate, then x cube or 2 you can write in this way, 2 into x cube plus 3x, am I right? 3x 6x. Now in this way you can write here 3x square 2 2, that means here you can write 2 into 3x square plus 1, directly you can write in this way. Here you can write 2m divided by 2. Now x cube plus 3x divided by 3x square plus 1 equal to m by 1. Okay, now cross multiplication or x cube plus 3x equal to m 3mx square plus m, or you can write x cube plus 3x minus 3mx square minus m equal to 0. According to the question you can write it in this way. Therefore what? X cube minus 3mx square plus 3x minus m equal to 0 proved or short. Okay.